Hello and welcome to my channel JEE Maths PYQs. If JEE Maths feels difficult, you are in the right place. Here we simplify important PYQs with easy explanations and step-by-step solutions to build speed and confidence. Let's get started with today's topic. Today's topic is functions, and we are discussing JEE Main PYQ of 2023, 22 and 25. The function is defined like this, whose domain is minus infinity to infinity and codomain minus infinity to 1. We have to tell which one of the four options given below is correct. Let us first discuss the solution strategy. First, we will simplify fx to 2 power 2x minus 1 upon 2 power 2x plus 1. Then we will find its derivative f dash x, which after simplification will be 4 2 power 2x ln 2 upon 2 power 2x plus 1 whole square. We will show f dash x to be positive in the domain negative infinity to infinity, implying the function to be increasing and hence 1 1. Next we will find range of fx. For this we will find limits at boundaries of the domain minus infinity to infinity and see if the limit as x tends to infinity to x tends to minus infinity are equal, and accordingly we will decide whether the function is onto or not. Now let us see the solution in detail. Given function is 2 power x minus 2 power minus x upon 2 power x plus 2 power minus x, 2 power x minus 1 upon 2 power x upon 2 power x plus 1 upon 2 power x, 2 power 2x minus 1 upon 2 power x upon 2 power 2x plus 1 upon 2 power x. Cancelling 2 power x, fx is 2 power 2x minus 1 upon 2 power 2x plus 1. Next we have to find f dash x, which is by quotient rule. This 2 power 2x plus 1 into derivative of 2 power 2x minus 1, 2 power 2x into 2 into ln 2 minus the numerator 2 power 2x minus 1 into derivative of the denominator 2 power 2x into 2 ln 2 upon square of denominator 2 power 2x plus 1 whole square, 2 into 2 power 2x ln 2 into 2 power 2x plus 1 minus 2 power 2x plus 1 upon 2 power 2x plus 1 whole square. Cancelling 2 power 2x, 1 plus 1 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 power 2x ln 2 upon 2 power 2x plus 1 whole square. Here this 2 power 2x is positive for all real values of x, and this ln 2 is also positive, which implies f dash x is positive for all real values of x. Therefore fx is strictly increasing in its real domain negative infinity to infinity. Therefore it is 1 1 function. Now to check whether the function is onto, we will take limit of function 2 power 2x minus 1 upon 2 power 2x plus 1 as x tends to infinity. Limit as x tends to infinity, dividing numerator and denominator by 2 power 2x, 1 minus 1 upon 2 power 2x upon 1 plus 1 upon 2 power 2x. As x tends to infinity, the limit will be 1 upon 1, 1. Next we will take limit as x tends to negative infinity of this function 2 power 2x minus 1 upon 2 power 2x plus 1. Taking limits, this will be 2 power minus infinity minus 1 upon 2 power minus infinity plus 1, 1 upon 2 power infinity minus 1 upon 1 upon 2 power infinity plus 1. This will tend to 0 and this will also tend to 0. So the limit will be minus 1. Now since the function is strictly increasing and continuous, its range is open interval minus 1 to 1 and the codomain given is negative infinity to 1, and since range is not equal to codomain, the function is not onto, because the function never takes the values less than or equal to -1. Hence, the correct answer option here is A, 1 1, but not onto. I hope this video helped you understand the concept more clearly. If you enjoyed learning, please like, share, and subscribe to JEE Maths PYQs for more simple and effective JEE Maths walkthroughs. Thank you for watching. Keep practicing.